In this video, I'll show how to create a stock watch list like this. I'll be using mainly Google Finance. Let me copy this ticker symbol, paste it here, and Google Finance. So if you want to know more about this, whatever is showing here about all this attribute, just click in here, learn more. We will show all the information right here. Google Finance actually expect to enter this ticker symbol. It even says mandatory, so ticker symbol with the exchange like this, NASDAQ :Google like this. But if we don't do it, then it says if the exchange symbol is not specified, Google Finance will use its best judgment to choose one for it. And also the data is about 20 minutes old. Quotes are not sourced from all markets and may be delayed up to 20 minutes. So, okay, so the first is ticker. If I put the ticker in, it will, the default is price, so it will show me the price right here. And then for the change, I need to enter actually the change. So Google Finance again, this, comma, change. These are all listed right here, so you can just go here and here's them, changes right here. Okay, so I'll copy, so I'll just make this column absolute, but the rows will be changing it. So relative, enter. Oh, the information is actually in A2. So I'll copy it up to here and then change each one of them. So the change percentage PCT, it says in here, change PCT. Then 52-week high is high 52. Then 52 low is low 52. Low 52. Market cap is I believe. Market cap. Right here, market cap. Market cap. Okay. Price to earning ratio is B. Okay, so I got all this data and I just drag it down. So for all of them, I found the data. So here, now let's do some formatting. I'll make this, first of all, make all of them except that. This is the currency, and I'll change individual only. The change I will make format number, custom number format. I'll make in, okay, so the $sign, the quotation $sign stays like that. It will be, if it is positive, then it will be blue. Then plus sign, this is positive, and for the negative, same, except there will be red color and a negative sign. Okay, apply. So now I know changes, and then the same thing, except I'll have a % sign here. Format number, custom number format. So I just did okay, so this is the one, except there will be a % sign at the end. Okay, so for some reason this one doesn't work like that. It just multiplies by 100, so also divided by 100 and copy it down. So this one is done. High, low, and market cap is a very big number. It's in trillions, 1 trillion, 2 trillion. So I'll make this in billions and with a B. Format, number, custom number format. So okay, $sign is fine, that is fine. And comma for million, 1,000, and zeros. And at the end I'll be B. So it will be like that. Apply. So this, and price to earning ratio. This is actually times of that stock. So I'll make this time X. Format, number, custom number format. So yes, this is it. Apply. So I used it before, so it just came up. Yeah, so 365-day trend. I can get the data from the same Google Finance. I just have to use the range. Google Finance, then the ticker, this, comma, and I want the close data, close at the end of the day, close data. Start date, it will be today, 365 day from today, starting from then, and till today. The interval is every day, so one for every day. If I do this, it will give me date and close data, so for 365 days. Now if I just put that into the sparkline, it will give me that trend. This sparkline will be just a line, but if I want to use column, which I'll be using for 10 days, right here that I showed these columns, then I'll have to separate the data from just the close. That's the only thing I will be needing. Now it will require, because it will not accept 2 columns of data. So to separate this, I had to use index function. So index function expects this information, that whatever I'm providing here. And if you want to find out more about it, it shows all the examples and everything right there, examples here. So if we use 2 1, this Bob will be 2 row down from here, row 2, and 1 is column 1, so that Bob, so right like that. So row, instead of row, I'll put nothing in here. If I don't put nothing, so then all the row will show up, and the column is in the second column. So this 1 2 second column, just put 2, it will show me only the closed data, this information. So I can use that closed information in the sparkline function. So I can just copy this, copy. Now here sparkline, the data is that, and if I just close it, it will show me that trend. I don't need that anymore. Now the sparkline function, this is very thin, so I can make it a little thicker. It is just, these are all optional argument. So if you want to know more about sparkline, you can do the same thing here, learn more. It will show. You need to use everything in pairs. So if I want to have this line width, this is very thin for me, so I will make it a little thicker. So line wi date is width, and the value will be in a comma, so I'll put 2. That's it. If I want another attribute, I have to use semicolon. So for this one, I'm done. So that's a thick one. Now I will make this row height a little bigger, so it shows better. So this size here is 21, so I'll make it 50. So it shows better. I'll make it a little bigger on this one. And if I copy, It'll be for all of those ticker. Okay, this is done. Now I'll put 10 days trend in here. So put a column right here. I'll say 10. Okay, so 10 days trend, the same exact thing. I'll copy, paste. So the reference, because I need to put the ticker. Instead of this 365, I'll just use this. So we can use it. I can just change it later. Whatever I will change, it will change it with it. So I'll make it absolute. Enter. So this is a 10-day trend. I just saw that the price is changed. So the data is live. It will update time to time. I'm not really sure how long it takes to change. So now, instead of this, I will use the column chart. So here, chart type, comma, column, then semicolon. If you want to know more about this, this is a chart column. What information I can do for the column? It says in here, I can change the low color, high color. That's what I'll do. I'll put the high color. The highest value will be in blue. And semicolon. Low color will be in red. Enter. So we got it. So the low color is in red. I mean the low value is in red and the highest value is in blue. Okay, now let's change the format of this. Format, number format, custom. I'll just say, instead of a $, there'll be no dot afterwards. So days trend. Okay. So now 10 days trends. If I want, if I can just make it 5 days, it will show 5 days data. If I want, I can make it 15 days. Show 15 days data. So there you go. Stock watch list. You can easily see what is going on. 52 weeks high was this. This current price is that. Low was this. Tesla right now is this. Today's change was $40 plus. This one was minus $19. That's it. If you have any question, let me know. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Oh, by the way, I did the same exact thing. Even it's easier to do in Excel, so I did that in Excel, and that video link will be in the description.